What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another banger, bruh. As you could tell, we got the V out. Let me just say right now, bruh, the V should be 100% fully healthy and ready to do a POV drive. But you see it, bro. We're out here in the hills. We got the V freshly washed. But yeah, bro, I mean, just take a look at the view. Take a look at this beauty. Oh my gosh. I could never get over the way this car looks. And you guys really enjoyed the view from here last time, so you know I had to come back and recreate it.
Yo, new year, new money, but it's the same old me. Need the yard that don't come cheap before I get 8 gold teeth. They wanna play with sticks and stones, I'm calling them Jamie T. Up chasing coins like Sonic, could trust me, they don't sleep. Play my songs out of whip, she said keep that shit on repeat. Gotta calculate steps, I gotta take a step back and breathe. Life got busy, I turned 18, moved out, all that I had was a dream. Wanna see all of my people free, but I ain't Martin Luther.
Alright, bro, but enough of the yap. Let's go ahead and get you guys this POV drive. Hopefully the V does not choose to embarrass me today and start flashing that check engine light, but there's only one way to find out. Let's go. Let's do this thing. We're out here on a Friday right now. Obviously this video is not gonna come out on a Friday, but I'm low-key thinking about uploading on Saturdays again. Y'all let me know what you guys think, bruh. Saturdays, or do you guys like how I'm uploading Sundays? Anyways, yeah, let me know in the comments down below. But we are out here on such a beautiful day. The weather's absolutely perfect, nice and sunny out here. I couldn't have asked for the weather to be any better than it is today, bruh. I am in a little bit of a rush right now. We're trying to head over to the polls right now so we could go vote before it gets packed. Everybody's gonna be getting off of work soon, so I don't want to be there when there's a bunch of people. And yeah, bro, I just think it's important to go vote. Whatever it is you believe in, go out there, bro. Let your voice be heard. Just be a good citizen and go try to make a better America by going out and voting, bro. I'm not gonna tell you who to vote for, but that's all I'm gonna say. Now, enough of all that. Let's get on to this video talking about the V, bruh. But before I start yapping, let me give you guys a little pull. Yeah. So far so good. We did not have any problems with that pull right there. Hopefully it stays like that. But if you guys saw my last POV video, the V did embarrass me a little bit, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I was doing a POV video. I had just fixed it, so I was talking about how that was the first POV drive video I was gonna do, where the car was like 100% healthy, no problems with it. And in the middle of the video, as I'm driving, check engine light starts flashing, bro. So that was not fun. Shout out to you guys who watched that all the way through. But I think I figured out what it was. I ended up, oh, hold on, there's a bridge right here, or an overpass. But yeah, I ended up figuring out what it was, or at least what I thought it was. We went ahead and changed all of the spark plugs, and we did some of the wiring too. So that should have been it. That should have fixed it. Anybody out there who's having similar problems to my car, maybe that's what it is, bruh. But let me just go ahead and shut up, stop yapping, and enjoy this drive, because we aren't going too far either. For those of you real ones, those of you who actively watch my content, you know we got some coils coming in that are gonna be slapped onto the car soon. After that, I for sure want to do something with the exhaust, bro. We gotta make this thing louder, we gotta make it roar, and then we could go ahead and do other cosmetic things. But I just feel like those two things will take the videos to a whole new level. My goodness, I have not felt this thing pull the way it's pulling right now. It's like driving a whole ass different car, bruh. This thing's literally jumping, bro, every time I step on it. It's insane. I know you guys are seeing my POV, but if you guys could look at me right now, bro, I genuinely have the biggest smile on my face right now. I have not felt the V do this in a while. I'm gonna try to get some space right here, give you guys a little pull. It's just hard, bro. There's so many cars right now on the street. Alright, bro, I know I said I was gonna vote. I should be coming here, but I feel like the video is way too short. I haven't even been able to enjoy the car as much. So we're gonna take a little detour. I know there's a bunch of cops back here though, so hopefully they don't catch us. Even though this is all AI generated. But yeah, wish your boy luck, bruh. Smash that like button, cause we're out here doing stuff we shouldn't. Alright, bro, we're gonna go ahead and take it easy right here on this school zone. We can't be just complete jerks or whatever. So we're gonna take it easy around the school zone, and we'll have some fun as soon as we pass it, bro. Might have to take a left right here. Oh my goodness, bro. Bro, you guys do not know how happy I am. I have not felt this like this in so long. Like, it actually feels like I have my, like I'm driving a CTS V, bro. Like I have my car back that I haven't had in so long. I don't know, bro. I hope you guys are as happy to see it back as I am. I don't want to abuse it too much, but Yeah, we gotta have a little bit of fun, you know. We'll go after this car right here. Go ahead and flip this thing right here before the light turns red. Oh my gosh. I do not know if I got that on time. I guess we'll find out later on in the mail if we get something. My goodness. Maybe we should do a little pull right here. Oh my gosh, there's a car right there coming out. Alright bro, that's it for the little detour. Let's actually go back so I could go vote finally. And then that'll be the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, bro. Please smash that like button and subscribe to your boy. Now that the V is back, I might just have to do double uploads, bro, with these POV drives. But make sure y'all mess with the channel, bro. Touch all the buttons, of course with consent. But catch you guys next time. Let's get this last pull in. I love you guys. Yes sir, you see it, mission accomplished, bro. But I forgot to take a picture for the thumbnail, bro. So guess where I'm going, bro. I am going back to where I started this video, and I'm gonna go take a thumbnail. Please, bro. You guys see your boy putting in that work. Smash that like button for me and subscribe, bro. I'll catch you guys next time. Love you guys. Late.